So this is the online application. The information that I need to insert, that is the candidate name, father's name, mother's name, date of birth, and also for nationality. Okay, and this is the present address, and this is the permanent address. If the present address are same as permanent address, then you can set a checkbox for okay. All the information will be passed as present address. Then I have used cascading drop down. Okay, if I select this, the corresponding data will be available here. Then go down, and this is the file selection file. Click on here. Okay, so it's image, and, and this is the view form of your image. And click another image like this. Okay, then create. Something is missing here. Okay, no, create. And this is the preview part, okay, that I have already data inserted. This is the name of the post and the information that you put here. Okay, present address, permanent address, and this is the academic qualification that you have achieved. Now click on next, and this is the preview part that you want to save as PDF or XML file. Okay, so I want to save this as a PDF file. Just click on download the file. Then wait, okay, open file, and this is the PDF format. Okay, so that's the simple. Now go back to my .NET framework, and first of all you need to connect your database. So the question is how to connect database with .NET framework. Okay, so um, go to your app setting JSON, then declare your connection string, and that is the connection string name, and declare your server name. Okay, my server name is desktop slash SQL Express. Okay, then set your initial catalog. That means that your database name. Okay, so go to SQL Server. Okay, and this is my database name. Okay, so you need to create your database name. So how to create the database that you want to use? And that is simple. Okay, to create a database, just type this command. Okay, create database, give you database name. So you can go here, just click on right button of your mouse, the new query. Okay, I have already no sorry. Just copy this code, copy, paste here. Okay, then give your database name. Okay, now select, then execute. Okay, look at here. Command set completed. That means that your database is created already. To see your data, just refresh here and disconnect, connect again. Okay, go to your database, and this is your database name. That so how to use your database? To use your database, just uh, use this command. Use your database name. Then how to add the table that you want to create. into your database name. To create a table, just type this command create table. To give you table name and the column name. How many columns do you need? Uh, Give your column ID and the name. And ID is primary key and that will begin from 1. Okay. And the variant that is the name, which is the type of bar character and the size of your table. Okay. So copy, then paste. Now select, then execute. Um, sorry, use KL because database the table that you want to create that will be saved to your corresponding database. Then select and execute. Okay. So to see your table name, just refresh, go to KL and click on table. Okay. And this is the table name that you have created. So how to insert value into a table? To insert the value into a table, just type this. Okay, copy, go here, enter or paste, select this, execute. Okay, uh, refresh, click on right button of your mouse, select. Okay, the data is inserted successfully. That is your data name and this is the column name where you want to insert it. You need not to initialize insert it in the ID because this is the primary key and it will start it from 1. So you can skip the ID name. Okay, just I insert into your table name. This is the column name and this is the value. Then go back to your code. So this is the connection string, your server name, then add your database name. Okay, then you can add a connection string cs file and this is the format that add connection to your database. This is the class name, variable builder, configuration builder, base one directory, and this is the app settings JSON. Okay, optional true, and this is the build for your database, and this is the get connection string and db connection strings. Okay, from your app settings JSON, and this is the connection string and this is the db connection strings. Okay, now close this. So the main part is creative database, that is the model. Okay, ORM, object relational model. So firstly you need to add your database connector, then add your database To add your database, okay, click on apply custom, and this is the system to add your database into your model. Okay, this is the class name, and this is the national ID, which is the primary key, and this is the national name, that is strings, and set and get also. Then go here, you back this, refresh, and this is the national ID. Okay, uh, there are more data are available here because I have already created a table for this. There are two columns for this table. First one is ID, then the second one is the name, Bangladesh, Bangladeshi Bharat. Okay. After creating your model class, you need to add your migration. Okay, migration. So how to do that? For your migration, just you can uh, take help from your Google. Okay, and this is the class model class that I have already created. Okay, after that, created the DB context. So, and add your database connection, database name. So you need to add your DB context. Where is it? Okay. And this is the all DB context, the CSS. Okay. The model that you created, you need to add as a DB context. The format is public virtual database set your uh, class name. Okay, and this is the variables, object variables. Okay, so add your database connection, instance models, and this is the entity framework. Okay, all the model that I have created. So first apply custom nationality and religion. Okay, and this is the Upazila district, and this is the foreign key because I have created a class model district here, and the class model is used to another class. Okay, so you need to declare the foreign key class name, and this is the variable. All the class will be added as DB context. Okay, then add migration. So and go to your package manager console. Okay, where is it? So click on tools, go to new get package manager, click on package manager console. After that, just copy this. Okay, then you can paste it. Sorry, then migration will be created. Okay, so firstly you need to add database connection, then create your model, because what types of data you want to insert. Okay, just look my database like mobile info. Okay, tables, and this is applies. Okay, select. Okay, the information that I have inserted. Candidate name, father's name, mother's name. See here. Okay, candidate's name, father's name. All the information will be saved as the database. Okay. So you need to create model for your database, and this is the all DB context after creating your CS form. Okay, or how to create a CS form? Just click on here and click on the right button of your mouse. Okay, add, go to new item. Okay, or go to class. Just click on class, then give your class name. Okay, and you can create an interface. I have already created, so this is the model form. Okay, after migration you will see the migration folder as like this, and this all the migration. If you want to see the migration of as this is the DB context in migration. Okay, so close this. The migration, and this is the models to control your database between model, that is models and view part. So look at this, and this is the view part, and this is the HTML form that is also post form. So go to code, find out your views, and this is the views. Okay, and I just want to view this CAS HTML. Okay, click on here. Okay, so firstly you need to add your model name. This is the model name that I have created before, and this is the heading section, online application form. Okay, look at here. This is the online application form. This is the model's name, application applies. Where is it? So go to your models, click on models, mm, find out the application apply check, application apply check.css. Okay, and this is the model that I have created. The ID name, candidate, father's name, mother's name. Okay, and to file for your photo and signature. So this is the model form. This is the HTML form that is viewed in your browser. Okay. Heading part, and this is the label, and this is the text box. So this is the view part. For your database, just go to models, create your models. Okay, and then add migration. Okay, the migration folder will be available here. Then go to your views part. Okay, and create your HTML form. Then, if you want to control all of this, just go to your control part. Okay, control part, and this is the home controller.css. Firstly, you need to add your DB context. Okay, that is context, and your web host to save your information like as image file. Okay. And this is all the controller. Okay. If you want to call your database, you have to use your DB context. Just I want to see. Okay. Look at this. This is the index form, and that will return your data. And this is the context, the DB context name. Okay, and the list, all the values will be available here. Okay. So there are three main parts for you .NET Framework as Web API. First one is models. Second one is views, that is for HTML forms. A model for you creating your database. Okay. Then the control part to control your database, how to access the database or how to save the database in how to save the data into your database. And this is the migration part. Okay. So I'm trying to show a simple information about your user input. Okay, this is the form and how to create the model and how to create the database you wanted to use. Okay, and how to show the information into your web format. Okay, so if you want to make this form, you need to follow your gardener. Okay, or go to YouTube or search the topic that you want to need. Otherwise, you go to your Chrome browser. Okay, and search all about the thing that you need to know. Okay, so thanks for watching.